Usembut Menteri Ramba Kajala ubasnya balang dhar mentak sengi Ieng dorbar, ulaong baka sorkar kalamap shwai ki bawai dukan namar badang Khang ke Interstate Bus Terminal. Yakni usembut Menteri Ramba ula jubab ke 0 hour, bala penyak di UMLA ke BBP na maulai konstituensi ubak bright stawal marbanyang. UMLA ke maulai ubalawan ra yakni kamat ulaong baka jishna ya ke Jingkieng Umiam hanyo benai. Kala kata iki nongsyong dukan wai Isbt, namar ke jingbongwan ki bos Isbt. Ula bu jingkeli laka sorkar ka don jing temu banyarap iki try dukan ki basyong Isbt, halor kani ubasnya balang ulaong, baka Isbt ke badan hamaulai Mawiong, kadang Khang shwa, namar badang Khang banyat ki bos na Jingkieng Umiam. Ula yathu baka sorkar kalamap shwa ki bawai dukan, namar badang Khang ka Isbt. Ubasnya balang ulaong baswa ban Khang ya ke Jingkieng Umiam, ki don arp kenai teli ki bos kentup kat teli ki State Transport Corporation, Hendriu teli jong ka Meghalaya Transport Corporation, but Hendriu teli jong ka Assam State Transport Corporation, but Arunachal Pradesh State Transport Corporation, nalor khatnyo teli ki bus ki bala penyat ki rushimet. Usembut Menteri Rangba ula pentibru bagi don khatar teli ki dukan ki bala dap IY, but khatar ki dang sa teli, but gajing temu ban khat tender ki dukan badang teli, lapen sangi eswa namar badang Khang ka Isbt. Ula pentibru baga jinglum pisa na Isbt, naduk badang sedang haduk mentah kalakot sekalai pesau laktam, kat baka jinglum khajana na gidukan kalong san laktam. Lakban kedau baya ka Isbt latih hamaulai Mawiong haga jinglot, kawasapu pra, poin lai puwei kelur, na North Eastern Council haus na baja khatsan, bat nakani ka sorkar Meghalaya kalahap bansei, sau poin pra kelur, kat kum ka jingbay pisa ka bakhandai pau la shipau, hapedeng ka sorkar pedeng bat ka sorkar jela. Kajing he ka Isbt kalong san pulai poin sau puwei square kilometer, bat la peli Menteri Katanat Kampo Ieng kari Amit Shah ha ubnai naitung araja arpuwei, bat la Menteri Kam ha araja arpuar hapo ka jingpet ka Meghalaya Transport Department.
The Umiam Bridge that have been under repair for quite a while. It takes almost 7 months to complete as far as the rehabilitation and improvement of the Umiam Bridge is concerned, where 19.9 crores have been spent. But then, in fact, many of these shop owners who depend for their livelihood from their shops that they have opened in these Isbt, and suddenly when these buses stop plying through Umiam Bridge, and ultimately they were not parking their vehicles in Isbt.
The construction of the Interstate Bus Terminus at Mawiong was approved on January 28, 2013 by the Donor Ministry through the North-Eastern Council, with an approval cost of 48.31 crore, and the project was funded on the basis of 90:10 cost-sharing basis, with the NEC contribute 43.48 crore and the state government of Meghalaya providing 4.83 crores. The terminus spans at 53,041.74 square meter and is designed to serve passengers traveling from Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur and other states as well, acting as key alignments and a boarding point for those bound for Shillong. The Isbt is equipped with a bus bay that allows for the smooth roll-ins and roll-out of buses, making it easily accessible to passengers while also helping to reduce the vehicular conditions in the Shillong city as well. The Interstate Bus Terminus Shillong was inaugurated by Sri Amit Shah, Honorable Union Home Minister of India, on July 24, 2021, and it was officially made operational from April 1st, 2022. The facility was handed over to the Meghalaya Transport Corporation by the Transport Department to oversee its operations. Before the closure of the Umiam Bridge, a total of 29 interstate buses operated from the Interstate Bus Terminus in Shillong. This includes 12 buses run by the State Transport Corporations, 6 by Meghalaya Transport Corporations, MTC, and 6 by the Assam State Transport Corporations, ASTC, and the Arunachal Pradesh State Transport Corporations. Additionally, 17 buses were operated by the private operators. At ISBT Shillong, there were 22 occupied shops and facilities, with 12 remaining unoccupied. And the remaining unoccupied shop, tendering for the unoccupied shop has been kept in abeyance due to the closure of operation in ISBT. The total rent collected from tenants since the inception of ISBT until March 2024 amounted to 30,22,515. The monthly rent collection from the shop before the closure of the Umiam bridge was 5,08,328 rupees per month approximately. However, due to closure of the Umiam bridge with effect of 31st March 2024, except those operated by the MTC, have ceased operation from ISBT, Shillong, and currently operating from the Barapani. And as a result of the reduced passenger traffic and the footfall, all shop facilities within the ISBT have closed down. I would like to inform the honourable member, a meeting was held on July 4, 2024 at ISBT Shillong, chaired by the Managing Director of the Meghalaya Transport Corporation to address the concern raised by the tenants regarding the rent during the closure and of the Umiam bridge. And it was a fact that there is a huge loss with the house rent and with the house owner. And I would like to assure honourable members, we will consider it, we will waive, especially for the house and for those during this closure time. And the other point mentioned by the honourable member, now we are having a meeting from time to time to discuss with the house, with the tenant there, how to help them. Yes, they are great loss, we know very well. And as the government, also at the same time, we are trying how to restart the business again. Yes, we know that as of now, the bridge is still closed. And even there is one road from along the Mawiong bypass, which has been implemented by PWD towards the Shillong bypass, which is just near the airport. And even this also, we are having a meeting with the PWD to speed up the roads. Even if this road is completed, this is another solution which will be quickly we can resume the business which is in ISBT. And further, the state government holding a meeting with private